Alright, well I just arrived at the famous Alona beach here in Bohol. These are right beachside. Aquatica Beach Resort. It's just a quick look here on the beach. And we'll go for a walk. Quite nice. Boy, this looks touristy, doesn't it? They must really be hurting when COVID hit. It is 6:30 in the morning on Monday. It's the local guapo. Morning.
Morning.
Standing in the doorway, I watched as you took off down Main. Felt something like the old days, running in place of worry, running away. Ooh, and you Sonata, leaning on each other, I could feel the seasons change. Playing our old songs, bittersweet nostalgia, try so hard to stay the same. I will remember you this way. Middle of the night, through the rolling thunder, I feel your light inside my bones. All the rest is right, though your thirst and hunger pull you far from what you know. Shake off your shoulders when weather's getting colder, till you'll remember feeling alive. Everything is golden when swimming in the afterlight. Driving on the freeway, counting down the exits past. Escaping on a weekday, hold on and don't you dare look back. Ooh, I feel you under everything you color, evening with the brightest hue. Slipping through the echoes, moving with our eyes closed, fire in everything you do. Back when we had nothing to lose. Middle of the night, through the rolling thunder,
We made it to Black Rock at the end of this Alona beach here. People loading up to go on their day trips. Morning. Have fun today. Thank you. All right, gonna continue on the walk back to city center. It's really peaceful out here early in the morning. Good morning. Oh, you're the dolphin guy.
Lady.
Hi.
My husband.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's quite a handsome pair.
Yeah.
Di, nakita ko na ito. Okay.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Have a good day.
Come ha, come.
Yeah. All right. Back to the walk. Beautiful morning. Nice and quiet.
Ako ba? Ma'am, okay na po. Mami, hindi po.
Look like it.
Say, individual Mills Farm ba?
Good morning.
Morning. Breakfast.
I don't know. I'm looking.
Breakfast. Coffee. Cake.
This is your breakfast? No, this is, oh, at the top.
Yes. Upstairs.
At the top.
Filipino-American.
Oh, hamburger. Wow. This place don't mess around. Beautiful ladies there. Morning. Happy guests. Morning. Oh man, look at that. Huge. This gotta cost you quite expensive, eh, bro? Mayang buntag. Wow, beautiful. Ayong buntag.
Maayong buntag.
You staying here?
Yes.
Wow. Beautiful. Oh, good morning. So I kind of settled in here at this little Heiahe Resort Cafe. Mango shake. A little early for it, but it's 8:30. I've been here for 2.5 hours. It's so cool here. So I'm just hanging out, relaxing. It's a good place. Really enjoying this. Absolutely worthwhile coming here, especially since it's not overrun with tourists right now. So anyway, that's the little update for the moment. Catch you in a little bit.
Everything is golden when swimming in the afterlife, in the afterlife, in the afterlife.
Come join me when you can. See ya!